A week earlier, Himanshi was celebrating her wedding to Naval Officer Lieutenant Vinay Narwal in Missouri. In just 7 days since, her stoic photo after the Pahalgam terror attack has made her the most recognizable face of this tragedy. Lieutenant Vinay Narwal and Himanshi, who is a school teacher, picked Kashmir to celebrate their honeymoon after their Swiss visa took much longer than expected.
अपने आप बोले ना मुझे
पर थी क्या बोलते भेलपुरी खा रही थी मेरा पति साइड में था एक इंसान आया उसने उसको गोली मार दी.
For a family from Karnataka's Shivamogga, the first ever family trip outside their home state turned into a tragedy. After terrorists killed Manjunath Rao, his wife Pallavi pleaded with them to kill her too. Their response? We won't kill you. Go tell this to Modi. Sayyid Adil Hussain Shah was the only local targeted by the terrorists. Reports suggest he was killed after he tried to snatch the rifle from one of them. A pony handler, he was a regular in the Pahalgam meadows, making roughly 300 rupees a day.
एक बच्चा कमाए वाला से खुदा तो बड़ा ही आस है हाय अल्लाह के कर सोन के कर सा खुदाया.
Far from Kashmir, in Maharashtra, it was a triple tragedy for relatives in Dombivali. Sanjay Lele, Atul Mone and Hemant Joshi were related to each other and had planned a holiday together in Kashmir. An extended family holiday has changed all their lives forever now.
आंसू सूख चुके हैं हमारे अभी.
Pune residents Kaustubh Ganbote and Santosh Jagdale were childhood friends who had often made plans to travel together on holiday. When all of it finally fell into place, it was only to end in tragedy. When 40-year-old Bitan Adhikari, a techie from Florida, planned a family trip to Kashmir, it was a big surprise for his wife. A day before they were supposed to head back home to Kolkata, terrorists asked him to recite the Kalma and shot him dead in front of his wife and 3-year-old son when he couldn't. For Sushil Nathaniel from Indore, the trip to Kashmir was to celebrate Easter together with his family. Sushil screamed that he was Christian when he was asked to recite the Kalma. He was shot from point-blank range. Just like the Kashmir trip was supposed to be a family reunion for Sushil, it was the same for Manish Ranjan from Bihar. An officer with the Intelligence Bureau, Manish was killed the day he was to meet his parents and younger brothers at Jammu railway station before heading to Vaishno Devi. A simple word, his own name, led to the death of a 35-year-old. When the gunman asked him to identify himself, he said Bharat, a name that, when spoken aloud, is indistinguishable from Bharat. The homonym was fatal. 30-year-old Tage Hailang was an Indian Air Force corporal from Arunachal Pradesh. Due for a transfer to the northeast after his Kashmir posting, he visited Pahalgam with his wife for a holiday when terrorists attacked. He came from Dubai to attend a wedding and on an impulse decided to go on holiday in Kashmir. 33-year-old Neeraj Udvani was a finance manager in the UAE and a backpacker with a passion for adventure. A father-son duo from Bhavnagar, Yatish Parmar and his son Smeet, were initially reported missing before it was confirmed that they were also among the victims. Yatish had celebrated his birthday just 4 days before the terror attack. 27-year-old Sudeep Niupane from Nepal is the lone foreign national killed in these attacks. Sudeep was visiting Pahalgam with his mother, sister and brother-in-law when the terrorists opened fire. Retired software engineer Madhusudan Rao was on a family holiday in Kashmir when the terrorists opened fire in Baisaran. Sameer Guha from Bengal, Prashant Kumar Satpathy from Odisha, N. Ramachandra from Kerala, Chandramouli from Andhra Pradesh, Dileep Desale from Navi Mumbai, Dinesh Mirania from Chhattisgarh, Shailesh Bhai Kalathia from Gujarat, Shubham Dwivedi from Uttar Pradesh. They were all on holiday, soaking in the beauty of the meadows, laughing, taking pictures, making memories. In a moment, that peace shattered. Terror struck, and their lives were bound together by heartbreak and horror that will stay with their families forever.